Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Continuing our top 5 static and dynamic MCQ series. First question of the day is asking, consider the following statement regarding the Waghu River. First statement, Waghu Dam is made on Waghu River in Jalgaon district of Maharashtra. Yes, it is correct. Second statement, the Waghu River flows from its source near Ajanta through the Khandes region, geographic region in central India, which forms the north-western portion of Maharashtra state. Yes, it is also correct. So we have to mark the incorrect options. Option A, none is incorrect because both is correct. Moving to our second question, the project Yaman is funded by option A, Ministry of Environment and Climate Change, option B, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, option C, Ministry of Finance, option D, Ministry of Education, and the correct option is option B, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare funds the project Yaman. Moving to third question, choose the correct option regarding the palm oil. First statement, Indonesia is the biggest producer of the palm oil across the globe. Yes, it is correct statement. Second statement, it is an edible vegetable oil derived from the mesocarp reddish pulp of the fruit of the oil palms. Yes, it is also correct. So we have to mark the correct option. So option B, both option or statement is correct. So option B is correct. Moving to our fourth question, we have to match the correct option. One side parts of the Indian Constitution is given, on the other side its provision is given. First statement, part 5th, articles 52 to 151 describe the union. Yes, it is correctly matched. Second statement, part 8th of the Indian Constitution holds article 239 to 242 describing the union territories. Yes, it is also correct. So both is correctly matched. So option B, both is correct. Moving to our fifth question, माझा प्रवास 1857, सिया बंदची हकीकत और माझा प्रवास translates into English as My Travels. The story of the 1857 mutiny was written by option A, Vishnu Bhatt Godse, option B, B.D. Savarkar, option C, Dadabhai Nauroji, option D, Swami Vivekananda, and the correct option is option A, Vishnu Bhatt Godse written the माझा प्रवास 1857 बंदची हकीकत. Option A, Vishnu Bhatt Godse. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers of our Last Mile Approach YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe and support our initiative.